Nothing to discuss more. I get the remedy for this stress, yeah. Double cup saying shy, see this night I choose to forget.
Hey Lvmi Cloud family, just giving you guys some context on this vlog right here. This was a very hectic week for us. Probably one of the most hectic weeks for our year, and we were out shooting lifestyle content and events for clients. It was so hectic. We still tried to get some vlogging content for you guys. As you could see, it's very chaotic because of how the shoots were just back to back, like each day. So just bear with us, and I hope you enjoy the vlog. Two of vlogging our shoots, and we just have a event shoot at a restaurant right now. It's a very posh vibe, so we had to go black out again, you know, everybody in black. So we have Paul shooting videography for the event. We have Kurt shooting photography, and I'll be doing a mixture of both. We're trying to get some tripod shots and also some gimbal shots as well. This shoot is mainly for the decor of the event, just to get some nice professional event shots. So we're fully loaded, but we'll be using mainly the tube lights because it will be going on until after sunset. So we may need some lighting. Hopefully there is a lot of ambient light, so we don't have to jack up the ISO too much. Bag in a mess there. Pull back more organized. We have the wide lens as usual. We have the Sony A7 IV to take pictures and videos. We have drones. We have all three drones this time. The Mavic 3 and the Mavic Classic. We have an FPV. We have mics. Like a sunset shot.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be ready.
Yeah.
You mean just this boat area?
Yeah, this boat area.
Yeah, it's almost finished. Just
Okay.
a few more.
Alright. No pistol. Help me out. Take off that there.
What do you want to do?
I want to take it off. But it's. Watch the gimbal. Let me just get a drone shot real quick. Let me just get a drone shot real quick.
Yeah. And we're doing drone photography now, so nobody on the beach until this man here tells you he's done, okay?
Oh, okay. Alright, fine. So you guys put them on now?
Now, when it gets up. Is it when it gets
We
up?
need to light them, but Simon's not here yet.
Oh, okay.
I don't know, do you have any kerosene we can throw on them for the photo?
Ooh, let me see if we have some.
Oh yeah, he's right there.
Simon?
We are something in some drone shots. Let's see what something.
Doing a little rotation shot with the drone now, you know.
Check the sheet, check the hat. Oh, nigga drippy, nigga drip. I don't know about the shoe, but yeah. Yeah.
The shoe give it white.
We are good there. And I check the drip. Oh, this shit. Oh, yes. Check the vibe. We are breathing.
Wait for me, has a for me.
Check the jewelry. Check the. Oh,
You check it, I know.
Let's go and get some shots of the fellas setting up the course and thing. You check what I saying? So we get some shots of them setting up as I fly the drone, and then Brianna and I are gonna look for the cap.
Alright.
So you'll go down there. We see the setting up.
Alright, so fellas are out. I go in and put the gimbal, the camera in the gimbal. You check. I using the zoom, the extra zoom. So no more small little thing. That's the FX30. But I get some tough shots. But I feel like I might just do that lens on it because I could be going close to the people that golfing, like too close, so I could stay far away and still get like, you know, a compressed type of look like I, you know. So
Lollipop, she wants super sweet to make yardy drops. Gonna lock me like the cops. Shoot out when she turn around back.
Yeah, YouTube family, so today is day 3 of our vlog and it's going good so far. From the shots I've seen, Paul got, I got, it's going good. We got some good shots. The sun came out, started off very easy, but the sun came out and now it's beautiful weather, hot sun. As you can see, everybody drained out. We got most of our shots. Some of the setups wasn't all the best, but we got most of our shots, and now we're going home to get ready for the other event we got planned, and it's a event at the resort. So we'll be shooting that at 4 o'clock. So now we're just heading out and we can go and get ready, charge our stuff. We have Brianna here backing up our footage because it's a lot of footage. So the sun is setting right now. We gotta try all how. Where the man going in there to smoke? What's it? We try and set a time lapse to get the sunset, and then I'll take some drone shots while taking some shots on the camera. Now we go try and catch everything at the same time. We have some fellas bringing smoke there. Take that shot fast, kid, because boy. Making the thing was dead. The charge on the camera. Everything dying out. For there, what you could do is like a nice little pan. Yeah, to me, no, not the 45. I can use the white. To me, that one will be better for you. Try it out. I'll go someplace. I just lean you it.
Some glasses.
Check it. That's all. Make it. To a sunrise shoot. Hopefully we'll be done by midday. I didn't get a chance to speak about yesterday. Yesterday was a bit hectic. It started off good. It started off like everything was on time. We got the shots we needed, and then just took a left. So I didn't get a chance to speak to you guys about yesterday. But it was good. It was alright. We got some good shots in. It's just towards the end, it just got a bit hectic and all over the place. Hopefully you could see that in the footage Rihanna got, and yeah, hope to have a good one today. This morning it will just be 3 of us. It won't be the whole team, but yeah, see you soon. The team is here. We have the cut man. photographer Paul will be on the ones and twos doing the gimbal work, getting the cinematic shots. Hoping to have a good one. I'm about to take some just landscape shots out with my drone and probably some photos as well.
Yeah, but I mean up.
Yeah,
It's shining.
Let me give some details on the shoot. So right now we were hoping to get like a sunrise shoot with the instructor, but the sun is up already. We'll still take some shots, but I was hoping like those beautiful sunrise colors. Yeah. The mongoose just ran there though.
Really?
Yeah, dog, the mongoose ran there. Yeah, mongoose there.
Oh, well, that
There are snakes. Mongoose. Alright, so I was hoping to get her for the sunrise shoot, but she's not there as yet. We came an hour early just to get some landscape shots and B-roll shots of this sunrise and some nice golden hour colors. I like that angle there, you know.
Right.
Like to get that background.
Yeah, the rocks and thing here.
And then you want to get that angle. But I see like if you take that angle, I'll get ocean too. Straight towards there. It's that It's that here. You take that angle. You take that angle here. Get some videos, photos, and then we'll shift up there and take some more shots. Now we are on the full setup. We're keeping it light today, not much gear. It's a social media shoot, so we have. I took out the mini drone at first, but the wind was a bit heavy, so I went with the bigger boy. You know. We have the gimbal out, and we might use a little flash, but the sun out kinda, so I see the reason for flash. We might pull out a reflector just to get some photos.
Why you change the way you say that?
I say this one night feed on. What I say so much. You know, everyone have the routine. When I get up in the morning, I speed,
So
you know,
you have to
wash
pee.
my face and things.
If
But
you're a P, you're not having a good day.
that's why I don't have a good day. But you know, that fuck up my routine, like I feel, you know, as I should. Yeah, like if could I eat in the morning, could I feeling right?
No, I drink in the morning is a cup of coffee.
You get some like I'll put out your fire.
No,
Because the way that belly looking there, not
I
perfect.
say,
no,
right.
a cup
If
of coffee alone I drink.
If
this
be
morning.
your own people.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, because if I'm looking at me, man, to do that.
Yeah.
Yes, that. Before you want to say nothing like that. Before the man say nothing like that. The belly still lay. That's the reason he's stupid now. You're trying to shoot.
Dog, my belly.
You're trying
My
to shoot.
belly is there, dog. My belly.
You're trying to shoot.
Well, the belly's still there, kinda, but you know,
Yeah.
it's because the form I sculpting right now, you know. So different parts forming faster.
I want a story thing.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah.
You have to try something else.
No, you're not taking You want to talk like you drinking any every day. Like, you want to talk about eating and processing anyone.
No, it doesn't drink processed sugar. Though. It's the only kind of thing.
And you have a big thing like that on his own, man. We're talking about.
Well, let's do the balls first, and then we'll call her to play. Yeah, we go there. We're about to just. You and Jada will just play, and we'll just stop you all to take certain shots.
Go.
Ready?
Your finger in it.
Hold the record, hold the record.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Come.
Y'all up. You good if they
Bounce
Can I
on
get
the
a shot
ball.
if you like this?
Huh?
Can I get a shot if you like this?
Okay, who want me first?
I would
You want me bouncing the ball or you want me to sit down like that?
No, you can do
No,
it. You're already in.
Okay.
I just here for the photo.
Now I see the camera so
Alright,
I'm
let's
then
go.
I'll miss over.
hey.
One more.
Yeah, just you know. Just hold the momentum.
Tough.
Yeah, You that doubting
yeah,
yourself.
now, and then you're going
I told you, pickleball, anybody can pick up a paddle and just.
because I'm going to say that now and then we'll try and do it and then.
Tennis sweat there.
Alright, let me tell you the team. Yeah, so the Lvmi Cloud team, you know how it's there already. So we got early morning yoga shots, we got some morning tennis shots, and it went well. As you know, everything cannot go as planned, but we had a couple scripts in order. I was mainly directing some of the shots. Paul was recording and Kuto taking some photos. We got some good social media content. Also, we got some good content, website content. You know, we do everything. Yeah, so it was a good shoot. What I'd say that was kind of off is the weather. You could see like the gray clouds. We got hit by some gray clouds like throughout. So sometimes it wasn't perfect, but we shoot a lot, so hopefully we got some good shots. And just stay tuned, you'll see some of the shots.